Hi, my name is Harrison Taylor, and this is my Module 1 Introduction for School Community Relations. Okay, so just a little bit of background on me. I'm currently in 912 special education. This is my fourth year doing that and sixth year in education. I'm in the Baser-Linwood School District, and I work at the high school level. Currently, I coach football, and I help with strength and conditioning in the summer. Those are two of my big things. Also a member of the school building leadership team. And then when I get, kind of free time on my own, I like to be outdoors and go fishing and things like that. Really stay active. Okay, so some forms of communication and strategies that I've used for reaching a variety of stakeholders has been somewhat limited just in my current capacity, but things I use, email I probably use the most. Email a lot of the parents of the students on my caseload and parents of students in classes and community members and and organizing things. I use that a lot. Twitter, I have like a school and coaching Twitter I use, and that can reach a pretty big audience depending on follower amount. And like our building principal has a Twitter, so when he retweets things or whatever, I think it reaches a lot larger audience. Phone calls. When I need to talk to a parent or, maybe set something up with a community member or some stakeholder outside, maybe for a project or assignment to help students, I can do that. And then also, I think, kind of word of mouth and student-teacher relationships. Like, I think that a lot of times the perception of the school is, carried on through teachers and students and the community. And I think word of mouth can be a powerful tool that reaches the community and stakeholders and adds a lot of buy-in. And then I kind of listed how those are provided, and I don't pay anything out of pocket for any of those type of things for sure. And then other things that I would like to use is maybe more strategies that reach the entire community that maybe don't make as much sense for me to do right now. I know the principal will make videos that he sends out, and they have systems that they use and that they can easily reach all the parents in the school or what have you. So those would be things that I would use more, or maybe public speaking forums that I would use more as a building leader or as the principal that I don't really use as much now. Okay, and then and I think we do at my district follow strategic policies, but it's not really too strict. The principal, he sets out some guidelines and what he wants. He wants teachers communicating once a week to parents, and he kind of encourages the use of social media appropriately to reach out. And he kind of models that as well, and so he's definitely a leader in that way. But it's not too strict there. And then the district, I think, is really flexible. They have no problem with teachers using social media and things like that. And I think they kind of encourage it, but they do offer some guidance and some recommendations. They don't want teachers having student phone numbers, using those types of things, and so they do kind of offer some guidance, but I wouldn't say that it's very strict policies that we have to follow. I look forward to this course and learning in this quick intersession period.